Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you past, in direct, indirect. In order to learn past, we need to see the changes. So here we have the changes. The first change is past indefinite will change to past perfect. Past continuous will change to past perfect continuous. Now it's time to see the example. So the examples are, the first example is, they said we attended the class. They said we attended the class. Then we have they said that they had attended the class. Definitely they. And as you know, when we have said, definitely we have to go in changes. And here we'll find that when we have said, so the said will change to said. So here we have said, that's why I say said. And then you know that when we remove comma and quotation mark, in the place of comma quotation mark, what we add that, definitely. And when we have when we have we, here you can see that pronoun replacement, that when we have we, so what do we see? We see the subject. What we see the subject, and the subject is they, so here definitely we have they and had attended the class, because this is past perfect. Getting me? Then we have the second example. She said to her, I was teaching you from your book. She said to her, I was teaching you from your book. The definitely when we have she, and as you know, when we have said to, as you can see that when we have said to, yes, it is here. So when we have said to, we change told. Getting me? So that's why we have told, and definitely her. And when we move comma quotation mark, in the place of comma quotation mark, what do we add? We add that. And when we have I, so what do we see? We see the subject, as you can see here in the pronoun replacement, that when we have I and we, so here we have I, that's why we are seeing the subject, and the subject is she. So definitely we have she, and then we had been teaching her from her book. Getting me? Get it? So this was a lecture on past in past. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi aman Allah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.